Hello everyone, welcome all to our video regarding the campus placement. So we will see about the campus placements and mistakes that students do in their campus placement. So here are some views about the campus placement, that is what are the benefits of that campus placement. So while appearing for the campus placement, you need to know about that there are some benefits of campus placement, that you don't need to visit the companies personally, because the companies comes to your campus, or companies put their vacancies on their website or any other platforms. So the job is coming towards you, but do not you are going towards the job, right? And then in this campus placement there are high chances of the jobs, and since there are the high chances of jobs, there are less stress to you to face for the job, right? And the most important benefit of this campus placement is you can secure your job before you complete your degree, right? If you don't have currently degree in your hand, so the campus placement benefit you for that you can secure your job before you get passed out. So these are some benefits of the campus placements, right? So but since there are many students, around 60% students don't get placement after their engineering, or they don't get placement in their final year itself. So do you have noticed your seniors, or if you are pass out students in 2020 or 2021, have you faced this issue? So we are now discussing about what issues are there, what mistakes students do about their placement. So most of the students are very hardworking, intelligent, and they have strong subject knowledge. They prepare the subjects from basic, but what issue comes, that is the companies are using various another filter techniques, because there are a number of students applying for the limited jobs, right? So filtration has to be done by the companies to finalize the perfect candidate. So what companies need, so company need general aptitude. So these are the filter techniques, right? The general aptitude will be the first round. Then companies use the group discussion. Companies use the group discussion to find out the perfect candidate which can communicate in the group, in the bulk of audience. Then companies finalize the candidate after getting personal interview. The manager or HR will get the personal interview with the candidate and finalize the perfect candidate for their job. And companies do not need any studious person which can study all the syllabus, right? The company needs a candidate who can communicate well enough and have problem solving skills. Therefore group discussion, personal interview, these two soft skills and general aptitude are included in the filtration technique of the campus placement. So but the students never focus in their academics on soft skills, developing their soft skills, or building their aptitude, focusing on their general aptitude, then focusing on resume building. Most of the students do the copy and paste job for their resume. They don't build their resume from the scratch. Also they don't build their LinkedIn profile, because it is some of the basic things you need for the job. Then with our training program, you will get a live training with our trainers with practical approach. They will guide you, they will train you according to your placement requirements, and with that trainers you can get your practical approach towards your placement drive. You will get practical approach to solve aptitude problems, you will get practical approach towards your soft skill training. So be job ready with Ingenious Solution trainings, and get training for your aptitude, group discussion, interviews, resume, and also we will help you to build your LinkedIn profile. So book your seat now just as rupees 999 and register before 19th September, because there are limited seats for this training program. Batch is starting from 20th September in online live mode. The trainers will talk with you. The trainers will train you in live approach. There will be 17 days live training program for your placements. So book your seat now on academy.engineersolution.com. Thank you for being with us.